Good evening, doctors. Welcome again. This is our second part of 1000 important MCQs for NEET PG 2019 exam. Okay. A 1 month old boy referred for a failure to thrive. Examination he shows features of congestive failure. Femoral pulse are feelable. Femoral means leg pulse are feelable compared to brachial pulses. Brachial pulse are not feelable, so much like femoral. The clinical diagnosis is here. The clinical diagnosis is coarctation of aorta. Why coarctation of aorta? Because sometimes we see in coarctation of aorta there is a temporal arteritis involvement, or that's why. And in the not temporal, it's yeah, temporal arteritis and Takayasu, which causes pulseless disease. It's not temporal, it's Takayasu involvement with coarctation of aorta, which causes pulseless disease in brachial. But in congenital aortic iliac disease, what we find? We find femoral pulse are sometimes partial or completely not feelable, but brachial is feelable in congenital aortic iliac disease. Okay, hope till here clear for you. Now its answer is coarctation of aorta. Okay, most common cause of tubal block in India, that is TB. Okay, in India go for tuberculosis, but worldwide it's not TB. Now, following complication during pregnancy increase risk of PPH, postpartum hemorrhage, except that is hypertension. Okay, so let's discuss the causes of PPH, that is atonicity, trauma, coagulopathy, retained placenta, morbidity, adherent placenta, and uterine inversion. Okay. Indicators of impending uterine rupture during labor include all of the following, except it does not include hematuria. We see fetal distress, passage of meconium, and fresh bleed per vaginum. Sorry. So, hope till here it's clear. Now, which of the following statement incorrect regarding PCOD? That is, we see incorrect regarding PCOD is result in post-dated pregnancy. In PCOD may be associated with abnormal glucose tolerance test, yes. Elevated LH, luteinizing hormone, yes. Can cause infertility, yes, but no result in post-dated pregnancy. Okay. Now, which statement is incorrect regarding levonorgestrel releasing intrauterine system? There is increased incidence of menorrhagia. This is not correct, guys, but with levonorgestrel we see this system can be used in hormone replacement therapy, yes. This is the method is useful for treatment of endometrial hyperplasia, yes. Irregular uterine bleeding can be problem initially. Okay, so this is the answer. Now, which malignant tumor is radio resistant? Radio resistant, it's osteosarcoma, remember. Most common malignancy in survivors of retinoblastoma, that is osteosarcoma. Okay. Sorry. Most important determinant of prognosis in Wilms tumor, that is histology. Histology is the most prognosis for Wilms tumor. Now, the common side effect of fluoxetine therapy. Fluoxetine is antidepressant. Side effect is anxiety. So guys, have a good day. Goodbye. That's all for today. This is the second part, and I'm going to launch more 98 parts before your exam. Don't worry, this will very high yield MCQs. Lot of probability to came in your exam. These are the new and recent MCQ. Thank you. Good day and goodbye.